How good a friend are you? Friendship is a bond that is really stronger than any other bond because of only one unique element of difference which even a love relationship lacks, and that is no expectations.
The most amazing talks, the sincere warm hugs, the loud intense laugh, the calling of nicknames, the happy hangouts, the sharing of darkest secrets, the unforgettable night drives, the chit chat dinner times, the surprise birthday toast, the mass bunks, the planned night study which turned out to be a gossiping laughter session, the silent promises, and so much more with no serious and hard expectations or demands. Friendship truly is one of the best relationships you make for yourselves. It is not the crowd around you that matters, but a single true friend who knows you thoroughly does. How many of us are blessed with such friends? It is such a huge privilege to have a friend who understands you even before you utter a word. They are the ones who can identify even the least pain you undergo. Hold them tightly to your heart no matter what. In this fast-moving world, life seems so uncertain. It is important for us to get going with our lives. Family and career being the priority. But have you thought of your friends' well-being? Or have you asked how they feel? Or inquired if everything is fine in their lives? Many times we do, but it is just a formality to start a conversation. Are we really asking them about their lives with concern? We think they are happy by seeing their Instagram stories or their Facebook posts. But are they really happy, and what they undergo deep inside matters the most. In these unusual times, many are undergoing depression and they don't have the right person to talk to, thinking they will be judged and left behind.
A man with 13.9 million Instagram followers, 2.2 million Twitter followers, and 5.5 million Facebook followers was still alone, depressed, and now no more. As you all know, it is the famous Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput. The truth is yet to be told.
So it can be anyone that can undergo depression, and it could be your friend in the list too. It could be your friend who feels lost and feels blank about their future. So what are we up to? Maybe you are the person your friend wants to vent out to. Maybe you are the one your friend trusts to open their heart out to. Or you are the one who can really have their back without judging them. There is no single pill solution to depression. It has to be fought daily within oneself, pretending as if nothing is wrong to the world. It is really painful to see the one close to you hurting, but the good news is the support of friends can definitely serve as sunshine in dark times. When things don't seem right, we often start pouring advice. Instead, supportive friends who can give their shoulders to lean on and lend their ears to problems can be a huge help to people who are suffering from depression. It's more than enough to let them know that you support them and care about it.
So be the one who's able to see the pain in their heart beyond the smile on their lips. Do you have such friends in life? If yes, then you're truly blessed. If no, try to be one. If you wish, you could comment on your friend's name which popped up to your mind seeing this video and show them that you're always there to rely on.